Welcome back to Worldwide Boat. I'm Michelle Hall, and we are on board 140-foot Serenity. Alright, I'm on board 140-foot Serenity with Devin, first officer on board. How long have you been on board?
Yeah, so I started 3 months ago and have been helping out with the refit on the interior and reloading new toys and helping out with the new owner's transition on board.
How many staterooms is the boat?
We have the master on deck, and then below we have a kind of conversion, which will show you it can be either like a full beam stateroom or two separate with queens, and then forward of that are another two staterooms, and then we have a VIP up on the flybridge.
Serenity has space for 12 guests in 6 staterooms. As you'll see below here, we have 2 identical cabins that can actually be separated or together, so it'd be great for a suite if you want to have your kids with you. You can also separate it to make it a separate space with fully noise dividing dividers. We are in the master suite on board Serenity. What I love about this boat is that they have floor to ceiling windows on both sides, so loads of natural light, and you also have a balcony on each side that you can access, so it's great. Super cool place. You can come out, have a coffee in the morning, relax, read your book, big king size bed, and then his and hers bathrooms as well with an adjoining shower.
Yeah, no mind. We do good parties.
Great. Awesome.
Hi, Chef.
Hello.
Tell me a little bit about your background.
Well, I've been a professional chef for 12 years. I've been working all around the southeast United States in various different restaurants. My culinary backgrounds are generally French, Italian, Southern American, Cajun food, and Asian.
Perfect.
All right, we are on the sundeck of Serenity. Huge party space right here. We have a full jacuzzi, loungers, full bar. We have a full grill. Chef can do some great stuff over here. And if you want a margarita, look no farther. We got you right here at our frozen margarita. One amazing thing about this boat is that she has an elevator.
Hello, I'm Garrett, Captain of Motor Yacht Serenity, the 133 IAG, and I'm here to answer a few questions for you today.
Perfect. Well, I just wanted to know, how long have you been in this industry?
I've been in the industry a little over 16 years. I started as a deckhand and worked my way up to being a captain, and I've worked every position on the boat except for chef.
That's great. How long would you say you've cruised the area of the Caribbean, the Bahamas? How long have you been on this side of the world?
I've been predominantly over here in this hemisphere since I started as a deckhand, but a lot of Caribbean experience as captain, charter boats, private boats. I've been to Alaska as captain, all throughout South America on expedition style yachts, and then a lot of time in the Bahamas.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
And what would you say is the personality of your crew and the team on board?
Our crew are relaxed professionals. We have a good time with the guests. We try to entertain and meet the desires and needs of every individual on the boat. And we got fishing mate and just a great interior crew.
Well, how many languages are spoken on board?
3. Yeah, Spanish, English, and I speak a little Portuguese.
Great. Awesome. How do you feel about an all-adults trip and a group of fun people on board?
That's great. Leave the kids at home.
Awesome. Great. Thank you.